Isn't it crucial to protect your electronics and loved ones from electrical faults and lightning strikes? Introducing Laxmi Power Solutions. LPS Chemical Earthing provides a modern earthing system using a moisture-retaining chemical compound for consistent low resistance. How it works. It features a specially designed electrode surrounded by a non-corrosive, conductive chemical compound that retains moisture and creates a stable conductive gel. Plus, it requires no maintenance. It provides unparalleled reliability. It is maintenance-free. It has a lifespan of 15 to 20 years. What our customers say. Interested? Contact LPS.